Hello everybody, welcome to another video, another unboxing. Today we're going to unbox this Tokyo Treat box. Tokyo Treat's something I've been getting for about, I don't know, 13 months now, something like that, definitely over a year. And I think it's a really good deal, and I think it's a really cool box. It's a food box, and if you could have guessed, it's food from Japan. Let's get this. Oh my goodness, I just stabbed my phone. Should be fine, has a case on it. But yeah, this is a treat box that I get from Japan. You can go ahead and look up Tokyo Treat, maybe tokyotreat.com or something, not sure. But just look it up, you'll find them. They do different tiered boxes. This is their like premium ultimate box or whatever that comes with all the stuff. And I thought it'd be fun to just go ahead and kind of take a look at it and see what you get. Over here we have the little guide, because obviously all this is in Japanese, and without this you wouldn't know what's happening. So let's go ahead and look through it real quick. So with Tokyo Treat, you always get this QR code that you can scan, and by scanning it, it gives you rewards and stuff. And actually what's cool is by doing a streak, scanning it multiple months in a row, you can start unlocking discounts on your box, and you get up to like 15% off after a while, which is really cool. So they have these little notes, letters and things, thank you stuff. You always get entered into a raffle for the lucky treat. It's kind of like just a prize box thing. But this is the snack menu. So since we have the premium box, we do get all this stuff over here, plus everything that would be in the classic box over here. So this comes with sparrow egg peanuts, Amoebo seaweed salt flavor, saucy soba snacks, Ramoon candy, pawn rice bar, nostalgic sauce senbin, Japan pride potato, Japanese sweet selection, lucky cat candy, shaved ice jelly, cabbage taro, mochandango. The good thing is, if you don't know what it is, it gives you a little description. Nori brown sugar syrup and Kinako cocoa sticks, cola ball, Pokemon Ototo crackers, Kit Kat ocean salt. They really love Kit Kats. If you love Kit Kats, this is the box they get for you. They give a Kit Kat almost every month. And then even jelly and milk coffee. Fantastic. So we're going to go ahead and look through these real quick. These seem to be some little cracker things. Here's that Evangelion milk coffee. Fantastic. The Kit Kats are mini Kit Kats that come in a big bag. So, like I said before, if you're a fan of Kit Kats, we've gotten so many awesome flavors, different flavors over the months. I highly recommend it for that. These look like some type of wafer crackers. And these look like some potato cracker chip things. Here's the chocolate sticks. The Pokemon crackers. It's a big box. They really do stuff this box full. I've had a couple of different Japanese boxes before, and this is by far my favorite so far. The other ones just haven't been great. This has a mixture of candy and snacks in it, which I do enjoy. Soba meshi. Have this little kitty thing. Little cat. Here's that ball, the gummy ball thing, the cola ball. Yeah, that's what it was. These are a little soft, they look sour, pastry, doughy things. And then peanuts. Not sure what this is. It looks like little tablets inside of a plastic bottle. These feel like gummies, kind of. Maybe not gummies, but they feel kind of, yeah, they have that, I like that picture. These things are okay. Like I said before, I had another box before, and they really like these things. They're kind of like a wafery cracker stick, and they're fine, but they're not great. And that other box would send me like 20 of them and like 3 other things, and I really got sick of them, so now I just kind of pawn these off to my roommates or anyone else that would want them. It's like a little rice stick thing. And then we have some sugary goo. And I like this stuff. They've given it before. It's just sugar goo, but I like it. Alright, so yeah, that's the Tokyo Treat box. I just thought I would unbox it with you guys. Maybe give you a heads up if you guys are a fan of Japanese food, snacks, want to try it out. Like I said, I get the premium version because the premium version always comes with a drink. It costs you about $35, so it's kind of up to you. Is it worth $35? It's close. You could probably go out to a convenience store and piecemeal buy all this, and it would be like $25 with tax. So you are spending like about an extra $10. But you can't go out and buy all this stuff anywhere unless you live in Japan. So I think that extra $10 for the convenience fee is probably worth it. And then also, if you do get the monthly thing and keep going, you will eventually get discounts and stuff, and it drops to about $30. So I'd say it's definitely worth $35 for sure for the premium edition. Or you could just go with the classic edition and try it out. If you like the snacks and you like the thing, boost it up. Yeah, I also do think that they are charging a little extra right now because of COVID and shipping and stuff. They're doing like a 2-day shipping thing, which is crazy. But it's either that or like 4-month shipping. So really, it's up to you. I like supporting the company, so I'm going to keep subscribing to them. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this. We love our community. Seem like good people, honestly. This seemed like a nice, good company. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Look forward to more videos in the future. I appreciate you all watching and liking and commenting and stuff like that. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.